walking at the light. Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep, guitar a skank. Morning breeze a whisper, walking on the light. Keep the love alive, one love. Hey. Morning sun a rise above the hill. Golden rays make the whole world still. Me open up me eyes and see another chance waiting patiently. Breeze a move through the coconut tree. Bird them singing sweet melody. Me step outside with grateful mind. Leave the heavy thoughts behind. Mama say walk with intention. Keep some peace in every direction. When the road become uncertain, don't let fear become your burden. Keep your words honest and kind. Keep good purpose in your mind. Every day you get a chance to spread some light through your vibes. Walking out the light, let the morning lead your way. Keep the hope inside your heart, carry kindness through the day. Walking out the light, let the good vibration flow through the sunshine, through the rain. Keep the positive alive inside your soul. Walking out the light, don't let darkness steal your song. Step by step and heart by heart, keep believing and move on. One love, one heart. Let the whole world feel the song. Walking out the light, yeah, yeah. Keep your feet on solid ground. Down the road, the market opening, fresh fruit and the vendors calling. Fisherman, prepare beside the bay. Farmer start another working day. Children laughing near the schoolyard, everybody dreaming something. One want build and one want teach. One want travel far beyond the beach. Oh, oh, old man sitting beneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say, the light don't always shine in the way you expect to find. Sometimes you must wait patiently before you see what you can be. Keep on learning, keep on growing. Let your action show where you're going. Walking out the light, let the good vibration flow through the sunshine, through the rain. Keep the positive alive inside your soul. Walking out the light, don't let darkness steal your song. Step by step and heart by heart, keep believing and move on. One love, one heart. Let the whole world feel the song. Walking out the light, keep your feet on solid ground. Farmer plant the seed in the earth, wait and watch the new life birth. Rainfall touch the thirsty ground, tiny leaf begin so wrong. Tree don't rush toward the sky, still it reach and still it rise. Roots stay deep beneath the soil, branches grow through patient tile. A little girl beside the river, watch the water flowing ever. She said, Mama, where it going? Mama say, where life is flowing. Sometimes you don't know the ending, still you keep your heart believing. Every river find the sea, every dream can find a way. Evening fall across the village, golden clouds become the landscape. Grandpa pick him old guitar, sweet melody, travel far. Children dance beneath the moonlight, neighbors gather in the doorway. Someone bring a meal for share, love and laughter everywhere. We look up into the night sky, see the stars shining so bright. We remember every person who have guided me through the journey. Every lesson, every blessing, every friend and every question help me understand the meaning of continuing and believing. Walking at the light, even when the road get long. Walking at the light, keep the rhythm in your song. If you stumble, rise again. If you worry, breathe and wait. If the road don't look familiar, take the shoreline. Hear the waves keep perfect time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave return again. Mountain teach me how to stand. Tree roots hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry light wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. If somebody feel forgotten, me will remind them are important. Cause the world become much brighter when we choose to help each other. One small kindness can become a light for someone when they're done. Oh, walking on the light, let the morning lead you away. Oh, oh, keep you up inside your heart, carry kindness through the day. Oh, oh, walking on the light, let the good vibration flow through the sunshine, through the rain. Keep the positive alive inside your soul. Walking on the light, don't let darkness steal your song. Step by step and heart by heart, keep believing and move on. One love, one heart, let the whole world feel the song. Walking on the light, keep your feet on solid ground. Walking on the light, yeah man. Roots, reggae, vibration. One drop, rhythm rolling, heels line deep, big guitar skunk, a morning breeze a whisper. Walking on the light, oh, keep the love alive. One love, morning sun rise above the hill. Golden rays make the whole world still. Me open up me eyes and see another chance waiting patiently. Breeze a move through the coconut tree. Bird them singing sweet melody. We step outside with grateful mind. Leave the heavy thoughts behind. Mama said walk with intention. Keep some peace in every direction. When the road become uncertain, don't let fear become your burden. Keep your words understand.
Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm a roll, bassline deep and steady. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. Good heart, good roll, good people, one love. Hey. Morning sunrise over the valley, golden light shine through the alley. Me wake up and give thanks today for another chance to find my way. Cool breeze moving through the trees, bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful heart, knowing every day can be a start. Mama say keep your heart good, do the best you know you should. When the world don't treat you kindly, don't allow it change your mind. You carry patience in your speaking, carry courage when you're seeking. Every sunrise bring new chances, every challenge bring advances. Papa say walk with dedication, build the future through preparation. Don't compare your road to others, everybody have them seasons. Some will rise before you do, some will take another route. Keep your feet on solid ground, and spread some goodness all around. Hey, hey. Good heart, good road, good love can lighten any load. When the journey feel unknown, keep your faith and carry on. Hey. Good heart, good road, let the positive energy grow. Through the sunshine, through the rain, find your strength. day start. See the people working from the yard, fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. Everybody trying to make life right. Woman cooking food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say, youth, life of many seasons, don't be frightened by the changes. River bend around the stone, still it find the ocean. Oh, yeah. If one pathway close before you, don't allow it stop your journey. Take your time and look around, another road can still be found. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round, sunshine warm the growing leaf, rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach we patiently, good things grow eventually. Good heart, good road, let the positive energy grow. Through the sunshine, through the rain, find your strength and rise again. Yeah. Good heart, good road, keep your spirit from getting cold. Step by step and day by day, let the good love lead the way. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. Good heart, good road, everywhere you go. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying, one day I'ma climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings we fly, kindness keep your spirit high. Don't be frightened by mistakes, every lesson something makes. When you fall, learn off your rise, keep your purpose in your eyes. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds inside them mind, and brighter days we surely find. Yeah. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Never bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are sparkle peacefully. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep me spirit bright. Every chapter have a meaning, every season keep on teaching. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. Life don't ask you to be perfect, just keep moving with respect. When the mountain look too high, take one step and still try. When the river seem too wide, look around, find a bridge. Don't let doubt become your master. Good heart, good road, good love can lighten any load. When the wind begin to blow, let your inner wisdom grow. When the night become too long, find the hope inside the song. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave have till fi tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots hold this stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry up
forever, through the sunshine, through bad weather.
Morning come again. Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm a roll. Bassline deep and steady. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. Morning come again. Hope come again. One love. Morning come again over the hillside. Golden sunshine spread far and wide. Me wake up and give thanks today. For another chance we find me way. Cool breeze dancing through the trees. Bird them singing with the breeze. Me leave the worries from yesterday and step into a brighter day. Mama say life keep on turning. Keep your heart and spirit learning. When the road don't go as planned, still keep hope inside your hand. Don't let one difficult season make you question every reason. Clouds can cover morning light, but the sun still waits behind. Morning come again, like a promise from the sky. If yesterday was difficult, today can be a new try. Morning come again, let the good vibration flow through the sunshine, through the rain. Keep the faith and keep on going. Morning come again, let the old worries fade away. Step by step and day by day. Build a brighter way. One love, one heart. Let the whole world know. Morning come again. So keep your spirit strong. Down the road the people moving, everybody working, building. Shopkeeper open up the doorway. Farmers start another long day. Children walking with them laughter, dreaming about the days hereafter. Everybody have a little dream, everybody chasing something. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say river never asks the stone to move before it finds its home. Let the current teach you patience, let the journey shape direction. When you meet a difficult bend, take your time and start again. Me listen to the words carefully, and me feel the truth inside of me. Sometimes life moves slow and steady, still the future can be ready. Morning come again, let the good vibration flow through the sunshine, through the rain. Keep the faith and keep on going. Morning come again, let the old worries fade away. Step by step and day by day. Build a brighter way. One love, one heart. Let the whole world know. Morning come again. So keep your spirit strong. Farmer plant another seed, trusting her to meet the need. Rain will fall and sun will shine, everything will grow in time. Tree don't hurry toward the sky, still it reach and still it rise. Roots stay deep beneath the ground, while the branches reach around. Little girl beside the river, watch the sunlight make it shimmer. She said one day me will travel, see the world beyond the valley. Mama smile and say keep dreaming, keep the inner fire gleaming. Every journey starts somewhere, every dream need love and care. So the little girl look high, see the clouds across the sky. Hope can start with one small thought, then become the road you walk. Afternoon fade into evening, golden colors fill the ceiling. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet notes travel near and far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Never bring a pot fish here. Hey,
Memories we carry after, nobody asking who have more. Everybody welcome through the door. When we share the little we have, everybody feel a little glad. That is wealth you cannot measure, that is love we carry after. Moonlight shining on the water, stars appear above the valley. Me sit down and watch the evening, thinking about the road me traveling. If today don't feel like yesterday, don't let that stop you anyway. If one door don't open wide, look around and find another side. If you stumble, breathe and pause, then continue with a purpose. Every lesson shape the future, every season make you stronger. Morning come again, hope come again, hope come again, hope come again, light come again, hope come again. Keep the good love alive. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave return again. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry hope wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance. Cause we never know tomorrow who might need encouragement. One small smile can lift somebody, one kind word can make a difference. So me choose to spread the light, from the morning till the night. Let the music travel far, like a message from the star. Morning come again, like a promise from the sky. If yesterday was difficult, today can be a new try. Morning come again, let the good vibration flow through the sunshine, through the rain. Keep the faith and keep on going. Morning come again, let the old worries fade away. Step by step and day by day, build a brighter way. Morning come again, morning come again, morning come again, yeah. Morning come again, roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm I roll, bassline deep and steady. Guitar scan to the morning.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm a roll, bassline deep and steady. Guitar skank through the morning breeze. River keep on flowing, life keep on moving. One love. Morning mist rise from the valley, sunlight shine across the alley. Me wake up and give thanks today, for another chance to find a way. Cool breeze moving through the trees, bird them singing melodies. Me lace my shoes and step outside, with a peaceful heart inside. Mama say, like the river flow, take your time and let life grow. Don't be frightened by the turning, every bend have something learning. When the current get uncertain, keep your courage open-minded. Even when the water's slow, trust the journey as you go. Papa's a build with dedication, dreams need work and preparation. Don't compare your road to others, everybody have them seasons. Some will rise before you do, some will take another route. Keep your feet on solid ground and spread some goodness all around. River keep on flowing, never stop because of stone. Every bend can teach you something, every journey find its own. River keep on flowing, carry up along the way. carnival them playing, little boats them gently sailing. Fisherman prepare the morning while the village slowly dawning. Woman open up the market, fresh produce fill the basket. Everybody have a purpose, everybody have a story. Old man sitting by the water talking with him granddaughter. Him say life is like the river, sometimes calm and sometimes quicker. You can't always choose the weather, but you can choose how you handle. Keep your kindness when you travel, keep your courage when things unravel. If one pathway disappear, look around and persevere. River keep on flowing, carry hope along the way. Through the sunshine, through the rain, keep believing every day. Oh, river keep on flowing, let the good vibration grow. Step by step and mile by mile, keep the journey moving slow. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. River keep on flowing, everywhere you go. Farmer plant another seed, trusting earth to meet the need. Rain will come and sun will shine, everything will grow in time. Tree roots reaching to the ground, holding firm when winds come round. Nature never rush the season, still it moves without confusion. Little girl beside the river, watch the sunlight make it shimmer. She say one day me will travel far beyond the hills and valley. Mama smile and say keep dreaming, keep the inner fire gleaming. Every journey starts somewhere, every dream need love and care. Evening fall across the village, chopping, striping, up the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. When we share the liquor we have, everybody feel a little glad. That is wealth you cannot measure, love become the greatest treasure. Moonlight shining on the water, stars appear above the valley. Me sit down and watch the river, think about the road me travel. If the river meet a stone, it don't turn around and go. It finds another way to move, slow and steady, smooth and true. If you stumble on your journey, take a breath and keep you learning. Every challenge have a lesson, every season brings progression. River keep on flowing, life keep on moving. Life keep on moving, hope keep on growing, love keep on glowing. No need for rush the journey, no need for fear tomorrow. Take each day as it is given, leave some room for joy and living. Me walk along the shore, watch the waves moving at time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave I've tale fi tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry hope wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance. Cause we never know tomorrow who might need encouragement. One smile can lift somebody, one kind word can make a difference. So me choose to spread the light, from the morning till the night. Let the music travel far, like a message from a star. River keep on flowing, never stop because of storm. Every bend can teach you something, every journey find its own. River keep on flowing, carry hope along the way. Through the sunshine, through the rain, keep believing every day. River keep on flowing, river keep on flowing.
Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm a roll. Bassline deep and steady. Guitar skank through the morning breeze. River keep on flowing. Life keep on moving. One love. Morning mist rise from the valley. Sunlight shine across the.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm and roll. Bassline deep and steady. Guitar skank through the morning breeze.
Roots run deep.
Oh, hope stand tall. One love. Morning sun rise above the mountain. Golden light a sparkle on the fountain. Me wake up with gratitude inside. Step outside and feel the morning tide. Breeze a whisper through the coconut tree. Bird them singing sweet and naturally. Me know the road may twist along the way, but me have another chance today. Mama tell me, know your foundation. Carry love into every situation. Don't forget the hands that help you grow. Respect the people that you come to know. When the world become a little colder, keep some kindness on your shoulder. Never let the pressure of the day take the better parts of you away. Roots run deep, even when the wind blows strong. Stand your ground, keep your heart where it belongs. Roots run deep, hope stand tall. When the heavy rain come down, still we never fall. Roots run deep, love carry through. Keep your spirit steady and let your dreams come true. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. Roots run deep, everywhere you go. Down the village people start them day, working hard in a them own way. Market woman arrange the fruit them bright. Fisherman prepare before the daylight. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing little pieces of philosophy. Him say life is not a straight line road. Sometimes you have to lighten your load. Don't chase every road. Somebody choose your own journey, have its own views. Some see it grow quickly in the rain. Some need sunshine again and again. Give yourself some time to understand. Keep your purpose firmly in your hand. If you stumble, don't be ashamed. Every lesson helps you shape your name. Roots run deep, hope stand tall. When the heavy rain come down, still we never fall. Roots run deep, love carry through. Keep your spirit steady and let your dreams come true. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. Roots run deep, everywhere you go. Farmer plant seed in a fertile ground. Wait for rain when dry season come around. Every morning check the growing field, trusting that the earth will eventually heal. Tree don't question why it must grow. It just reach toward the sunlight slow. Roots all firm beneath the earth. Branches show the promise of free birth. Me see the children running by the river, dreaming about tomorrow and forever. One want build, another want explore, another dream of helping people more. Me tell them, keep your vision clear. Don't let doubt become your engineer. Learn from every road you travel through and keep some good intentions close to you. Evening, settle over the village lane. Clouds turn gold before the evening rain. Grandpa tune the guitar by the door. Sweet melody float across the floor. Neighbors gather, everybody share. Simple joy and laughter everywhere. No fancy thing required tonight. Just good people underneath the light. Moon come shining over rooftops. Stars appear when daylight stops. Me sit quietly and understand why roots are stronger when together we stand. Life can change like ocean tide, but good
light shining like a silver star. Mountains standing in a distance strong, like a guardian watching all night long. Nature teach me every single day that patience can illuminate the way. So me carry hope along the road, share some kindness when the burden heavy. If somebody need encouragement, we will give them words of good intent. Cause nobody know what tomorrow bring. Everybody deserve a chance to sing. Let the music cross each boundary. Let the rhythm bring some unity. Roots run deep, even when the wind blows strong. Stand your ground, keep your heart where it belongs. Roots run deep, hope stand tall. When the heavy rain come down, still we never fall. Roots run deep, love carry through. Keep your spirit steady and let your dreams come true. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. The roots run deep, everywhere you go. Roots run deep, from the mountain to the sea. Carry hope for every person, carry love for humanity. Roots run deep, let no roots run deep. Let roots run deep. Yeah. Roots run deep, yeah man. Roots where the vibration. One drop rhythm a roll, bassline deep and steady. The towers skank through the morning breeze. Roots run deep, hope stand tall, one love. Nothing's on the rise above the mountain, golden light a sparkle upon the fountain. We wake up with gratitude inside. Step outside and feel the morning light. Mountain standing in a distance strong, like a guardian watching all night long. Let nature teach me every single day that patience can illuminate the way. So me carry hope along the road, share some kindness when the burden heavy. If somebody need encouragement, we will give them words of good intent. Cause nobody know what tomorrow brings. Everybody deserves.
Rise up and give thanks. Yeah man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep and steady. Guitar skank through the morning air. Rise up and give thanks. Another day, another blessing. One love. Hey. Morning sun I climb the mountain. Golden light shine like a fountain. Me wake up and breathing slowly. Feel the breeze move through the valley. Bird them singing from the treetop. Sweet vibration never stop. Me step outside with grateful mind. Leave the worries far behind. Yesterday had its own story. Today me walk toward tomorrow. No need to carry every burden. Some things better left behind. Me put courage in my pocket, hope and patience in my spirit. Then me follow where the road lead, trusting every step me taking. Rise up and give thanks. Let the morning fill your soul. Every breath and every heartbeat help you move toward your goal. Hey. Rise up and give thanks for the sunshine and the rain. When the road get rough and winding, keep the rhythm in your veins. Hey. Rise up and give thanks. Let the good vibration flow. What tomorrow bring nobody know. Still we keep the hope aglow. One love, one love, one love. Let the whole world sing along. Rise up and give thanks. Keep the spirit strong. Hey. Down the road the village waking, fresh bread and the coffee baking. Market woman greet the neighbor, everybody start the labor. Fisherman a mend him net, farmer check the crops them said. Children walking toward the school, dreaming big and keeping cool. Old man sitting underneath the tree, him wave and smile at me. Him say, life can move so quickly. Don't forget the moment simply. Share a laugh, respect your neighbor. Help somebody with your favor. When you give without expecting, you discover true connection. Me carry those words along like another verse inside me song. Wisdom don't need fancy language. Sometimes simple words have power. Rise up and give thanks for the sunshine and the rain. When the road get rough and winding, keep the rhythm in your veins. Oh yeah, rise up and give thanks. Let the good vibration flow. What tomorrow bring nobody know. Still we keep the hope aglow. One love, one heart, let the whole world sing along. Rise up and give thanks. Keep the spirit strong. Farmer plant the seed with care, trusting rain will meet it there. Sunshine warm the growing ground, tiny green leaves come around. Tree roots all beneath the earth, branches reach and show new birth. Nature teach we every season, patience grow without explaining. Little children by the river, watch the water flowing ever. One say where the river going, mama say where life is flowing. Every journey have a pathway, every dream begins someday. Keep on learning, keep on growing, and your heart will keep on knowing. Afternoon turn warm and golden, clouds above begin unfolding. Guitar sound come from the yard, sweet melody travel far. Children dancing on the grass, watching all the daylight pass. Neighbors gather, food is shared, everybody knows somebody cares. Evening breeze come soft and gentle, moonlight shine across the water. Me look around and count the blessings that cannot fit inside a pocket. Good friends, family laughter, simple moments worth remembering. Sometimes what we call ordinary is exactly what make life beautiful. Rise up, give thanks, keep the fire bright. Rise up, give thanks, walk into the light. When the rain come, let it fall. Don't let fear control it all. Clouds will move and skies will clear, new possibilities appear. Carry hope, carry peace wherever you go. Let the bassline tell the story, let the good vibration flow. Me walk along the shoreline, hear the waves keep perfect time. Every wave come to the sun, then return just as it planned. Mountain standing tall and steady, bird them flying free and ready. Ocean teach me how to listen, sky remind me dreams can glisten. So me carry gratitude, let it shape the things me do. If somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. If somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world need more compassion, more respect and understanding. If we lift each other higher, everybody can go farther. Rise up and give thanks, let the morning fill your soul. Every breath and every heartbeat help you move toward your goal. Rise up and give thanks for the sunshine and the rain. When the road get rough and winding, keep the rhythm in your veins. Rise up and give thanks for the sunshine and the rain. When the road get rough and winding, keep the rhythm in your veins. Rise up and give thanks, let the good vibration flow. What tomorrow bring, nobody know. Still we keep the hope aglow. One love, one now, let the whole world sing along. Rise up and give thanks, keep the spirit strong. Rise up and give thanks, rise up, rise up and give thanks. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One
One drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep and steady. Guitar a skank through the morning. Rise up and give thanks. Another day, another blessing. One love, Molly's gonna climb the mountain. Golden light shine like a fountain. Me wake up and breathing slowly. Feel the breeze move through the valley. Bird them singing from the treetop. Sweet vibration never stop. We step outside with grateful mind. Leave the worries vibe.
Blessings along the way. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep and steady. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. Blessings along the way. Give thanks for every day. One love. Yeah, yeah. Morning sun a rise above the valley. Golden light a shine upon the alley. Me wake up and give thanks once more for the little things me sometimes ignore. Cool breeze moving through the tree. Bird them singing naturally. Me step outside with peaceful mind, leaving yesterday behind. My mama say give thanks for the morning, give thanks for every lesson. Life can change without a warning. Still keep love inside your heart, yeah. When the road become demanding, keep your courage and understanding. Every day have something new. If you open your eyes with you. Blessings along the way, some big and some so small. Sometimes we don't recognize them until we look back at it all. Oh, yeah. Blessings along the way, give thanks for another day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, still we keep the faith. Blessings along the way. Let the good vibration flow. Every step and every mile have a lesson for you know. One love, one heart, let gratitude grow. Blessings along the way, everywhere you go. Hey! Down the market, people greeting. Morning life already beating. Fresh fruit shining in the sun. Children laughing, having fun. Farmer bring the crops to sell. Fisherman now stories to tell. Everybody working hard, still them find a smile somewhere. Old man sitting beneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say you don't chase tomorrow till you forget today completely. Sometimes blessings come disguised as lessons you don't recognize. Keep your heart open and steady. Better days can come when ready. Blessings along the way. Give thanks for another day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, still we keep the faith. Blessings along the way. Let the good vibration flow. Every step and every mile have a lesson for you know. One love, one heart, let gratitude grow. Whoa. Blessings along the way, everywhere you go. Hey! Farmer plant another seed, trusting earth to meet the need. Rain will fall and sun will shine, everything will grow in time. Tree roots hold beneath the ground, branches reach and spread around. Nature teach with patience well, good things need their time for dwell. Little child beside the river, watch the water running ever. Him say where does the river go? Mama say where dreams can flow. Hey. Every river of direction, hey. Every journey of connection. You may not know where it ends, still keep walking with good friends. Evening come across the village, orange light cover the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet notes travel near and far. Neighbors gather by the doorway, talking about events today. Someone bring a pot for share, love and laughter everywhere. Me look around and see the faces, different stories, different places. Still the simple things remain, family, friendship, sun and rain. Me realize the richest treasure is the love we share together. Money can't replace the feeling when good people keep you healing.
Give thanks for the sunrise, give thanks for the rain, give thanks for the lessons that helped you grow again. Give thanks for the people who stood beside the road. Give thanks for the moments that helped you carry the load. Blessings along the way, blessings every day. Open up your heart and see how much beauty life can bring. Me walk along this shoreline, hear the waves keep perfect time. Ocean teach me patience well. Everywhere return again. Mountain teach me how to stand. Tree roots hold this stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry gratitude, let it shape the way me move. If somebody need encouragement, me will share some positive intent. If somebody feel forgotten, me will remind them they are important. Cause a blessing isn't always something grand you can hold. Sometimes it is a simple smile, sometimes friendship worth more gold. Blessings along the way, some big and some so small. Sometimes we don't recognize them until we look back at it all. Blessings along the way, some big and some so small. Sometimes we don't recognize them until we look back at it all. Blessings along the way, give thanks for another day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, still we keep the faith. Blessings along the way, let the good vibration flow. Every step and every mile have a lesson for you know. One love, one heart, let gratitude grow. Blessings along the way, blessings along the way. Everywhere you go, blessings along the way. Give thanks for every day. When you blessings along the way, 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 yeah. Blessings along the way, blessings along the way. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration, one drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep and steady, guitar strength through the morning breeze. Blessings along the way, give thanks for every day. One love, burning sunrise above the valley, golden light a shine upon the alley. Me wake up and give thanks once more for the little things we sometimes ignore. Cool breeze moving through the tree, bird them singing naturally. Me step outside with peaceful mind, leaving yesterday behind. Mama say, hey, give thanks for the morning, give thanks for every lesson life can change without a warning. Still keep love inside your heart when the road become demanding. Keep the courage and understanding. Every day I'm something.
Yeah man, roots reggae vibration, one drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep, guitar skank. From the old days to the new days, the music never fades. One love. Oh yeah. One love. Oh yeah. Morning light I touch the doorway, fresh breeze moving through the hallway. Me hear the rhythm from the speaker, sweet vibration getting deeper. Every beat remind me clearly why the music means so dearly. It can carry stories farther than a road can ever carry. We step outside into the sunshine, hear a melody inside my mind. Every note become a memory, yeah. Every rhythm hold a story. Music travel through the years, through the laughter and the tears. melody keep flowing. Oh, the music never fades, even when the years roll on. The rhythm live inside the heart, long after the night is gone. Well, the music never fades. Let the bassline roll tonight. Let the guitars skank softly. Let the rhythm feel alright. The music never fades. Carry love from heart to heart. Different generations singing. Still the melody can't stop. One love, one heart. Let the good vibration flow. The music never fades. Everywhere you go. Grandpa tell the younger people about the songs from long before. Oh, the drums would shake the village. Oh, the sound would fill the floor. Oh, records spin slowly. Memories come back clearly. Everybody start remembering times they thought were gone completely. Mama hum a little melody while she working in the kitchen. Children hear it and start dancing. Soon the whole room start moving. No matter what the years may bring, good music still can make hearts sing. A simple beat can cross a border. Bring a little peace and order. The music never fades. Let the bassline roll tonight. Let the guitar skank softly. Let the rhythm feel alright. The music never fades. Carry love from heart to heart. Different generations singing. Still the melody can't stop. One love, one heart. Let the good vibration flow. The music never fades. Everywhere you go. Down the street the sound is playing. People walking, people swaying. Drummer keep the steady rhythm. Guitar answer with the skanking bassline moving through the drum. Everybody know the sound, even those who never heard it. Feel the vibration all around. Young musician hold him instrument, dreaming about the road ahead. Old musician give encouragement. Learn the craft and keep your head. Don't forget the roots beneath you. Don't forget the ones before you. When you carry music forward, carry love and truth within it. Evening settled by the shoreline. Stars appear one at a time. People gather near the fire. Songs become the evening choir. Some sing high and some sing low. Still the whole place move as one. Laughter mixed with guitar strings. Night become a place we're dreaming. Me close my eyes and feel the rhythm. Hear the voices all around me. Music turn a simple moment into something we remember. Years may pass and places change. Still this song can remain. Let the drum talk, let the bass feel, let the guitar answer, let the people sing. No matter where you come from, music can bring you closer. No matter what language spoken, rhythm can cross the border. The music never fades.
The music never fades.
The music never fades.
The music never fades.
As long as somebody's singing, the vibrations still remain. So me carry music with me everywhere the road may lead me. Through the mountain, through the valley, through the city, through the alley. When the morning sun is rising, when the evening stars are shining, there is always some vibration waiting to become a song. If somebody feeling lonely, let the melody remind them that the world still has some beauty, that tomorrow can be brighter. If somebody need encouragement, let the rhythm give them movement. Music cannot solve everything, but it can bring hearts together. The music never fades, even when the years roll on. The rhythm
singing, still the melody can't stop.
One love, one heart.
Let the good vibration flow. The music never fades, the music never fades. From the mountain to the sea, carry up for every listener.
Carry love, humanity.
The music never fades. Let the whole world hear this sound. When the rhythm bring we closer, good vibrations come around.
The music never fade.
Keep the positive alive. Every morning bring a reason. If you keep the music alive. Yeah man, the music never fades. Yeah man, the music never fades. Every rhythm carry on. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm rolling. Yeah. Bassline deep, guitar a skank. From the old days to the new days, the music never fades. One love. A morning light I touch the doorway. Fresh breeze moving through the hallway. They hear the rhythm from the speaker. Sweet vibration getting deeper. Every beat remind me clearly why the music means so daily. It can carry stories farther than a road can never carry. We step outside into the sunshine. Yeah.
Peace in the valley. Yeah man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm a roll. Bassline deep and steady. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. Peace in the valley. Love in the air. Let the music carry on. One love. Yeah. Morning light fall across the valley. Golden sunshine through the alley. Me wake up and give thanks today. For another chance to find my way. Cool breeze moving through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me step outside and breathe in deep. Leave the worries where them sleep. Mama said keep peace in your heart. Even when the world get hard, don't let anger guide your feet. Choose some patience when we meet. Every person have a story. Every journey have some worry. If you can bring someone some light, then you make the whole world bright. Papa say walk with understanding. Keep your purpose always standing. Build your future with good action. Give respect in every interaction. Don't compare your road to others. Everybody have them seasons. Keep your roots beneath the ground and spread some goodness all around. Oh yeah, oh, peace in the valley, hope across the land. When we walk together, everything can stand. Peace in the valley, love in the heart. Let the good vibration give the world a brand new start. Peace in the valley, hope beneath the sky, through the sunshine and the rain. Keep your spirit high. One love, one heart. Let the good vibration flow. Peace in the valley. Everywhere you go. Down the market when the day start. See the people working from the heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. Everybody trying to make life right. Woman cooking food for family. Still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say, youth life for many seasons. Don't be frightened by the changes. River bend around the stone, still it find the ocean home. If one pathway close before you, don't allow it stop your journey. Take your time and look all around. Another road can still be found. A farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf, rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach repair
skies. Teacher say, keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give your wings to fly. Kindness keep your spirit high. Don't be frightened by mistakes. Every lesson something makes. When you fall, learn how to rise. Keep your purpose in your eyes. Give the youth them room to grow. Give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care. Show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach. Future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds inside them mind. And brighter days we surely find. Well, evening fall across the village. Sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar. Sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing. Drum beat keep the whole place moving. They ever bring a pot for share. Everybody gather there. Hey, simple food and honest laughter. Memories we carry after. Nobody asking who have more. Everybody welcome through the door. That is wealth you cannot buy. That is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea. Stars are sparkle peacefully. Me sit down and watch the tide. Think about the road me ride. Every challenge, every blessing, every lesson keep me learning. Know me know the greatest treasure is the love we share together. Yeah, if we stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. Life don't ask you if you be perfect. Just keep moving with respect. When the mountain look too high, take one step and still try. When the river seem too wide, look around to find a bridge. Don't let anger be your master. Don't let worry move you faster. Peace in the valley, hope across the land, love inside the people. Together we can stand. Let the drum beat speak of kindness. Let the bassline carry peace. Let the music cross the borders. Let the fear and hatred cease. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in our time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave of tear tell. Mountain teach me how to stand. Hear them singing melodies. Me step outside and breathe in deep. Leave the worries where them sleep. Mama say keep peace in your heart. Even when the world get hard, don't let anger guide your feet. Choose some patience when we meet. Every person have a story. Every journey of some worry. If you can bring someone some light, then you make the whole world bright. Pass it, walk with understanding. Keep your purpose always standing. Live your future with good action. If respecting every interaction. Don't compare your road to others. Every birdie have their seasons. Keep your roots beneath the ground.
Sunshine on the road, yeah man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep and steady. Guitar scan through the morning air. Sunshine on the road, hope inside the heart. One love. Sunshine on the road this morning. New day come without no warning. Me rise up and give thanks again for the sunshine after rain. Cool breeze moving through the garden. Bird them singing without burden. Me step outside and feel the beat. Positive energy underneath me feet. Me don't need a perfect story. Me just want a life of meaning. Every step can teach a lesson. Every day can bring direction. If the road get rough before me, vision steady. No matter how the journey wind, me know better days can find me. Sunshine on the road, let it brighten up your way. Open up your heart and breathe, give thanks for another day. Sunshine on the road, let the good vibration flow. Keep the love inside your heart, everywhere you choose to go. Oh, sunshine on the road, even when the clouds appear. Keep believing in the journey. Keep the people that you love near. One love, one heart, let the rhythm carry on. Sunshine on the road, sunshine on the road, from the morning till the dawn. Hey, down the hillside, people moving, everybody have something brewing. Market woman call out kindly, selling fruits beneath the sunlight. Fisherman prepare by the water, farmer working with him brother. Everybody have them duties, still them find a little beauty. Old man sitting by the gate, watching life but never rush the pace. Him say, youth, remember this, don't overlook the little bliss. A cool breeze and a peaceful mind, good friends you can trust anytime. A meal shared with somebody dear, these are treasures worth keeping near. Nod me head and smile softly, knowing wisdom can come simply. Sometimes life don't need explaining, just appreciation and patience. Sunshine on the road, let it good vibration flow. Keep the love inside your heart, everywhere you choose to go. Sunshine on the road, even when the clouds appear. Keep believing in the journey. Keep the people that you love near. One love, one heart, let the rhythm carry on. Sunshine on the road, sunshine on the road, from the morning till the dawn. Farmer plant another seed, trusting earth to meet the need. Rain come down and touch the ground, soon a little green appear around. Tree roots holding firm and low, branches reaching as they grow. Nature teach us simple truth, patience bring the strongest fruit. Little children by the river, dreaming big and laughing together. One say, I want to build a home, another I want to see the world. Mama tell them dream with purpose, work with patience, keep your focus. Every mountain have a pathway, every sunrise bring another day. Afternoon turn warm and golden, clouds above begin unfolding. Guitar sound come from the heart, sweet melody travel near and far. Children dance upon the grass, laughing as the hours pass. Neighbors gather food is shared, everybody knows somebody cares. Evening breeze begin to settle, moonlight shine upon the water. I look around and feel a blessing of community and understanding. Life can give with many choices, but love can bring together vices. When we share and when we listen, even simple moments glisten. Sunshine on the road, keep the fire bright. When the clouds come over, still remember light. Walk with courage, walk with grace. Don't be afraid to find your pace. If you stumble, rise again. Let the lesson be a friend. Yeah. Carry on, carry love, carry peace wherever you go. Let the rhythm cross the valley, let the good vibration flow. Me walk beside the shoreline, yeah, the ocean keeping time. Every wave roll to the sand, then return like it was planned. Mountains standing in the distance, strong and calm through every season. Bird them flying through the sky, like them know no dream to hide. So me carry what life taught me, keep good memories beside me. When somebody need encouragement, people share some positive intent. When somebody feel discouraged, me will remind them hope still matters. Cause the world can use more kindness, more respect and more forgiveness. One small smile
spread much farther. Sunshine on the road, let it brighten up your way. Open up your heart and breathe, give thanks for another day. Sunshine on the road, let the good vibration flow. Keep the love inside your heart, everywhere you choose to go. Sunshine on the road, let the good vibration flow. Keep the love inside your heart, everywhere you choose to go. Sunshine on the road, let the good vibration flow. Keep the love inside your heart, everywhere you choose to go. Sunshine on the road, even when the clouds appear. Keep believing in the journey. Keep the people that you love near. Sunshine on the road, sunshine on the road, sunshine on the road, yeah. Sunshine on the road, yeah. Sunshine on the road, sunshine on the road, yeah man. Roots reggae vibration, one drop rhythm rolling, bassline deep and steady. Guitarist got you through the morning, yeah. Sunshine